Today's video is about my Hermes wish list for 2022, so let's go! Hi guys, I hope you're fine. I'm very happy to be back on this YouTube channel, and today's video is about my Hermes wish list for 2022. And this is kind of a wish list. This is going like the dream wish list, so it's not going to be like the real wish list because it's not gonna happen. Let's be clear and let's be honest. But if you want to see what I really want at Hermes for this year and next year, just stay connected. Okay, so if you don't know me yet, my name is Margot, alias Margot Valix, and I'm 27 years old. I live in Barcelona right now, and I'm from France. So if you notice my accent, just be nice with me, don't be rude. And yeah, don't hesitate to correct me sometimes in the comment, I won't be mad. Always with a good vibe, so please just say hello. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section. Or if you do not agree with what I'm saying, I have no issue with that. We can discuss between us also, but always with respect. This is very important to me, the respect and good vibe energy, always with the smile. And yes, if you did not subscribe yet, you can. Okay, so we are gonna start. The first item from Hermes I would love to have, it's the Kelly 25, color black, leather Epsom, and gold hardware. Yes, this is a very classic one. This is not shocking, this is not something whoa, but this is a classical one, and it will be my first one, so I want something kind of classical for my first one. And I'd be very happy to have this one, like for real. Like I'd be very happy to have multiple ones, and even on the Birkin. But I think for the first one, I would love to have a Kelly. Like last year, I would prefer to have the Birkin, but this year I think I would prefer to have like the Kelly for the first one. Oh, if an ASA proposed me like the Birkin or the Kelly, I don't mind. It depends on what they have in stock. I would love to have one of them anyway. But it's true that if I have to choose for a wish list, either a Kelly or either Birkin, I think I would go for the Kelly because you can wear it like with a strap. So I think for the first Hermes big handbag, I would prefer this actually. And the price in euro at the moment in 2022 is 7,950 euros. I know in the US it's more expensive in the UK too, but right now in euro this is the price, so this is not that expensive. I'm very happy. They plan to have a price increase in January as always, as every year. And usually it's 10% of the price, but apparently there is a rumor this year is gonna be more. I wish not, because I was still not able to get this one. So okay, for the second one I would love to have, it's also a Kelly size 25. Epsom leather, of course. For the Kelly, I really prefer the Epsom leather, and if it's a Togo leather, I would prefer like leather Retourne. And for this one, and the color, I would love to have the green Versipre. It's a green cypress, it's a Versipre. This one is just amazing. I'm gonna put you like every photos of the colors here, and this is a Versipre. This one is just gorgeous. I've seen it for real, and this is a seasonal color. And it's actually right now, well, it's the end of it, so I really hope I can put my hand on it. Cross finger always for me, please guys. But I would love to have it. I don't know if you saw it, but the Versipre is just amazing, and it changes the colors with the lights. Depending on the lights, it can change a bit of color. So this is just a gorgeous. This is a very dark green, so it's like between green and dark and black. So this is actually good because this is not like a very flashy green, but I really like also the vert jade, green jade, also like vermont. I really like this kind of green. I also love vert cricket, but anyway, for this Kelly, for first Kelly, I would rather have like a more darker green. So yeah, and gold hardware too for this one because I've saw both of them, and this is kind of a cold color, so with the gold it's gonna put like some warmth to the bag. What else do I like about Kelly color? I would love also the Kelly in size 25 Epsom leather, but in jaune poussin. Yes, this one is a very bright and flashy color, but I really love it. I've seen it on Diane Perrault. This is a French influencer. If you don't know her, please go follow her. She's gorgeous and she has amazing bags. She's very stylish, trendy, and so on. So I'm gonna put like her Instagram just here. I really love it, like really, really, really. It's been like years I'm following her and I still love her. She has it. She has the Kelly 25. Oh, maybe it's not the 25. I think she has the 32. I'm not sure actually, or 28. I think she has the 28. But anyway, she has the jaune poussin, and this is amazing. I would love to have it with the gold hardware, obviously. Yes, this is the one I would love also. This is also a seasonal color, and I don't think I'm gonna have it because right now this is winter and this is not a winter color. But who knows? We never know with Hermes. I can be surprised. But for the first one, I don't know if I would rather like a bright color like the jaune poussin or a more classical color. I think I would rather have a classical color, yeah. So for another one, classical color, Kelly 25, Epsom leather, gold hardware and color gold. This is not a surprise. I was hesitating on this one, but actually this is a very classical color and I actually love it. Like the gold one is like kind of the color of Hermes. So I would love to have this one in the Kelly. Yes, yes, yes. Anyway, okay, for other things than the Kelly, because I want everything out of Hermes, like every color, every bag. I would love to have a big collection, of course, like an entire room with only Kellys and Birkins and Picotin and Constance and mini Evelyne and garden party. Oh, gosh, this is my dream. Like, I wish I could have this. I don't know, let me know in the comments which color do you have in Kelly and Birkin, what are your advice, what are your tips for Birkin and Kellys, what to do, what not to do. I'll be very happy to have any tips, information about what to do and not to do in Europe store. In Paris, this is very different. In Paris, you have a lottery system where you go online the day before. You just apply on the website from 10 a.m. with your name and which store you want and everything, every information you fill in. From 8 p.m. you will receive an email saying like, yes, you have an email, yes, you have an appointment, or no, you don't. If you have an appointment, there is like, okay, 80% of chance you get the bag you want. Well, at least a bag, and 20% you don't get anything. Well, usually 80%, 90%. I never saw someone going out of an Hermes appointment on the lottery system without a bag actually, but apparently there is, but not that much. And this is a very, very good system in Paris, but this is the only way in Paris to get the bag. You need an appointment. If you know someone in an Hermes store, they will get you the appointment and it can be very fast, of course. I already heard like many stories about people going to Hermes, knowing someone, and they had like a very fast appointment and they got the bag they wanted. This exists, of course. If you have the contact, it's always working. But in every other stores in Europe, this is not working with a lottery system, this is a wishlist system. So you need to get along with your essay, or if you don't know the essay, sometimes they can just offer you like straight away a bag, but if this is very rare, girls, this way, or they can offer you a wish list and you have 6 months, between 6 and 8 months. During the 6-8 months, you wait. And if you are lucky, you get an email saying, you have the bag, please come take the bag. And it can happen everywhere in Europe, even if you are not clients. I know in Barcelona, they try to give this kind of wish list to the people who live in Barcelona. But I know, for example, in London or over different countries, they don't really care about this. It really depends on the country, on the store, and on the essay. It depends on lots of things. There is not only one way to get a bag from Hermes, guys. So please be aware of this. In Europe, we don't really have, well, we do have the quota bags, but obviously you can get 2-3 bags per year quite easily, I can say, depending on your essay, if you want to or not, because they don't get commission on Birkin and Kelly. This is why they would not necessarily propose you the bags. A lot of people are saying you need to spend 10,000 euros to get, or USD to get a Birkin or to get offered a bag. This is not true in Europe. In USA, I cannot say, I really don't know, but in Europe, this is very different. You don't need to spend thousands of euros to get over the Birkin or Kelly. If you get along well with your essay, they will offer you, or you can sometimes ask to be on the wish list and they will put you on the wish list. But if it's the first time you meet the essay and you ask for it, they will never give it to you, obviously. You need to go multiple times to the store, you need to create a relationship. You don't necessarily need to buy lots of things. Like I've been putting on the wish list at Hermes in Barcelona and I'm so happy. I really cross fingers to get the bag I want. I really, really, really do, guys. Please pray with me, touch the wood with me. I really want it. I'm on the wish list, so I'm very grateful to my Issa because she's adorable. And I did not spend thousands of euros. I only had, like, first time I entered the store, went out with nothing because nothing was okay. And I was looking for the mini Evelyne. 5 times after, like, I went 5 times to the store to ask the mini Evelyne again. So they saw my face, they recognized me, and they said, okay, she's really living here in Barcelona and she really wants a bag. So the day of my birthday, I got like the mini Evelyne, and it was her, so she was so nice. And the funny story is that my nails matches the bag. I got the mini Evelyne. I also got for my boyfriend a ring and a necklace. No, the necklace was not bought in Barcelona. So I got like the ring, a pair of ahah. Yes, it was bought here, and the mini Evelyne, and that's all. So like it's only maybe 2,000 euros. So this is not that expensive. This is not that much. And she's very nice. I'm very nice to her. I really like her. We have like very good exchange. We laugh about lots of things. We talk about lots of things, not only Hermes. And it's easy, you know. This is like a very simple relationship. Just don't do too much. You don't need like to wear full Hermes on you to have it. I was never wearing like an Hermes bag when I was there. I was always wearing other bags, other brands. And I was just me, nice, sympathetic, and it worked. Like, you don't need like to push too much. They are human beings also. They are not like robots. They are human beings, so be nice to them. Because I saw a lot of people being very, very mean to Hermes essay, and this is their job. This is not a game for them, like either. This is like their job, and they have like instructions. So this is how it works. So be nice with the people you meet in store. This is not their fault, and maybe they have like a bad day too, so yeah, be nice. Okay, this being said apart, I'm gonna go for the other things I would love to have. So obviously I would love to have a Birkin. I don't know about the size. I would love to have the 25, but it's very, very small. But I would love to have also the 30 and 35. But I think the first one, 25, is good. And Togo leather, silver hardware for the Birkin, for my first Birkin, and color gold, black, and gold, black, and Gris. Gris is not for the first one. I would love to have a Gris, but with rose gold hardware. Amazing. Like Claire Chanel is having one. It is gorgeous. I don't know if she has like the Gris or the Nata. I think she got the Gris. I think this is a Gris. And this is a gorgeous one. I would rather have like a black and a gold before a Gris because this is white and this is wow. You can't wear it like every day, every single day because this is white, you know. Also, I would love to have the Rose mule shoes from Hermes. These are gorgeous ones. I really love this type of shoes. I know, either you love them, either you don't love them, but I really do. And they looks like with the Kelly top. They are just gorgeous. I would love them in silver and black leather, obviously. And the price in euro is 890 euros, so this is not that much expensive. And I don't know, I really like them. I think one day I'm gonna have them one day, yeah, for sure. I would love also to have Espadrille Famosa, well, at least to try, because I don't know if they are comfy or not. So please let me know in the comments if they are comfy, what it's gonna be in like a year or 2 years after utilization, if they still are good. If you have it, let me know in the comments what you think about this kind of sandals. Anyway, I would also love to have a silk scarf size 90 from Hermes to put like in a top on top for summer. Oh, I would love to. This is gorgeous, actually. I would love. And on the hair, really nice. And in euro, I think it's 410 euros something. There are like multiple colors, multiple patterns. You have so many different things. This is insane. But this is really, really something I would like to have. And the last thing I would love to have at Hermes right now is the blanket. Yes, and in euro it's like 1,290 euros, I think, or 50. Yeah, 90. Well, anyway, this is kind of the price in euro, and I would love to have the gold version, gold beige version. This is a classic one. This is very hard to find, but one day I think I'm gonna buy this. This is very expensive actually for a blanket, but this is like decoration stuff and it's amazing. I really, really, really like it. On the couch, it could be amazing. And I really, really use lots of blankets during winter because I'm always very chilly, freezing. And when I'm in the couch watching Netflix or anything or working in the couch, I really use a blanket because I'm freezing all the time. Okay, so this was my Hermes wish list for 2022, 2023. This was the dream wish list. I'm not sure I will be able to get all this, but who knows? We never know actually what we are going to have at Hermes. This is a surprise, and this is also the game, and this is also very nice because this is a surprise. So thank you for watching this video. Tell me in the comment what you are looking for at Hermes, what you would like to have. I'll be very curious to know what you want, what you already have. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I would be very happy to welcome you in the Margavalix family, obviously. And I will see you in a few seconds because I'm gonna put you like 2 other videos to watch if you did not already. And yeah, see you in a few seconds. Bye, bisous.